Okay, here we are in West Hamilton here. This is our next project that we're just ready to take on. We're doing all 3 floors in this house. We're lifting the roof in the back, putting out a balcony for them off of their master bedroom, and putting an in-law suite in the basement. It's going to be an awesome project. Let's go inside. It's tear out day. Let's see what they're doing in there. Okay, so let's go in here. Yeah, they're just starting to do the tear out. Sounds like a lot of activity upstairs. Go into the kitchen, you can see. This is going to be all opened up. Everything's going to be opened up. The staircase is going to be opened up. We're going to have floating stairs all the way up, glass railings. Big kitchen along this side of the house, and this is behind you here is going to be the living room, and I'll take you upstairs and show you what's happening up there. Okay, so there's lots happening up here. We have our safety equipment on for these guys. So here, bedroom, this is going to be where their bed area is. And then right behind you here, this is where we're going to be raising the roof, and we're going to have a patio, balcony out there. It's going to be a great space. We're going to put a nice big bathroom up here and also a main floor laundry.